Yes, so welcome back to another episode with me, Luke. So I hope you had a fantastic weekend. So we're going to go straight into the charts right now. It's going to be a quick update on the Bitcoin price. It's Monday the 5th of February, and as you can see over the last few days over the weekend, Bitcoin remained stable, which is good. We don't want to see a CME gap forming. For some people, they like CME gaps to trade them. But overall, over the last couple of weeks, we have been pretty much going sideways, and this has led to altcoins performing quite well over the past 5-6 weeks. So what am I seeing right now? Well, if you saw my video last week, it was a bit of a late video last Friday. I was talking about just a theory of a cup and handle on the weekly pattern. So this gigantic cup that we can see, I mean, you've got to go and check that video out. It's only a theory. The handle hasn't formed yet, but this is usually a bullish sign. So yeah, it's just a theory at the moment, but you go and check that video out. So in the long term, I'm mega bullish, but in the short term, before the halving, I am a little bit bearish, but I hope Bitcoin proves me wrong and just shoots up past the 50k mark, past the resistance of 48,000 and beyond. So the Bitcoin halving is less than 3 months away. I put it here on the 30th of April. It's about 75 days away. It's very difficult to pinpoint the exact date and time. Some news outlets are saying it's like the 24th, 25th of April. Some are saying the 7th of May. So I've just put it in the middle, 30th of April. So around that period where that blue line is, that's the next Bitcoin halving, which happens every 4 years. It's a huge event. If you're not buying crypto now, why not? Let me know in the comment section below, because if you start buying after that blue line, then you're in like a major risk area. Not just after the blue line, but especially if we start going past the all-time high before then. I don't think we will. But if we go anywhere past or near the old all-time highs, just around this period or after, then, I mean, the buying opportunities below the all-time highs, it's fantastic, but you know, it gets more of a risk as you wait and you leave. So if you're not in crypto at the moment, then why not? If you are, congratulations. Over the next 1 year, 18 months, you're going to make a killing in crypto. So you'll see that I've been through a few crypto cycles, Bitcoin cycles, I should say. And yeah, if you got in over the last year or so, you were buying when I first started YouTube around here, and even the year before, you've been doing pretty well in crypto. So it's not too late. That's my main message. If you haven't bought anything at the moment, some of you maybe have crypto, but you kind of waiting for major dips, or you're hesitating, you don't know whether to get in, then just a piece of advice. It's not financial advice or anything. You have to do your own research. Don't trust anybody on social media 100%. You have to do your own research. You don't know me. You don't know the guys on YouTube. There are a lot of good guys and girls on YouTube that give sound advice, but ultimately, like they would say, you have to do your own research when you're dealing with your own money. So just be careful. But yeah, just my personal thing that I'm doing is getting in before that blue line, and especially before the all-time high. So any period before this, and especially anywhere before the all-time high, getting into altcoins, into Bitcoin, is the best opportunity we have. So you're not late to the party just yet. You've got another 3-4 months to get your positions in altcoins, dollar cost average, which is probably the easiest and the safest way to store, get crypto. Put it on a ledger, cold storage wallet, instead of leaving it on exchanges as well. If you do like leaving it on exchanges, then maybe diversify, have 3 or 4 multiple exchanges where you don't put all your eggs in one basket, so to speak. So yeah, if you're not buying, then why not? Again, this is the best opportunity right now before that halving, because from end of spring going into summer, back end of next year, it'll be way too late, and you'll just be, most people start FOMOing in when we go past that all-time high, and yeah, they see the exchange wallets going up, they get greedy, they keep putting money in, and then all of a sudden it comes crashing back down. So that's just a word of warning. So just jumping over into some quick technical analysis. So if you are day trading, I haven't really looked at a day trade position. I've been looking today. I was just reflecting on like a long-term trend, and what I found in the charts is a bullish pennant pattern. So a bullish pennant pattern is bullish, as it says in the name. It's not the best pennant pattern, but I've been looking at this. I drew this morning. So we have this pennant pattern just here. So what is a bullish pennant pattern? It's basically, it's when we have a huge increase in price, which we saw back in October going into November and beyond, and then we have this it's like consolidation, continuation, or it's a consolidation point between resistance and support, and then it forms this bullish pennant pattern. So if you disagree with me, let me know in the comments section below, but that's what I'm seeing right now. So this is quite a big bullish pennant pattern that we're seeing. So you just have to wait for the breakout as well. You don't jump into this at the moment, because this technical analysis could be completely wrong. You just have to wait for that breakout. So if you're going to long this long term, then you just have to wait for a breakout around we want to go past with some volume coming in around 44,800. Let me just there we go, that's a bit better. Okay, so just to put a price on this, we just take this, we put it around here just to give us an approximation price, which is around 60k. So bearing in mind this is on the weekly, so this will be a fantastic trade here if you do this. Again, if you disagree with this bullish pennant pattern, but it's just something I looked at this morning, read about it, and it looks quite legit for me. So yeah, if we do break out over the next few weeks, a few days or whatever, probably in a few weeks, this price target, if this were to play out, would be a 60k Bitcoin, a $61,000 target, which would be a nice increase of about 40%. So again, if you're using Bybit, Bitflex, you can find the links in the description below. You can go long, you can go short, you can leverage trade as well. You put 3, 5, 10x, whatever you want. If you do a 10x as an example, you do a 38%, that's 380% in the profits with this trade. So yeah, I'm going to keep that here just to see what happens with this. Again, I could be completely wrong, but that's technical analysis. But last week I've been talking about Bitcoin having a massive rejection, and I still believe that. I still think at some point there might be market manipulation or something big before the halving, where we do come back down and retest the 30k. But again, technical analysis is being objective, it's trying to look at both sides of the story, not just being completely bearish or a moon boy, even though I do believe Bitcoin is going to go into the six-figure range. It's just looking at both sides. So yes, I'm still believing that we're going to go down to 30k, but if I'm wrong and we continue in this pattern, we hold steady, we approach that halving, there's no manipulation or black swan event, and this target from this bullish pennant pattern could be in play. Last Friday I spoke about that cup and handle pattern, so go and check out that price target there. It's absolutely insane, but you go and check that out for yourself. So long term, completely bullish. It's just short term before the halving, I just have some doubts, but whatever the case, I'll still be buying more Bitcoin, I'll still be buying more altcoins, whether we go down or up, especially before that halving. So that's probably the biggest main message in this video, is I'll be buying as much as I can before the halving, and then let this thing ride later this year. So that's pretty much it for this coming week. We will be analyzing Bitcoin a little bit more in the week, maybe some those that are interested in day trading, we can look at the smaller time frames together, and some altcoins as well. I bought some more crypto last week. I think on Friday I bought more gaming tokens, which I think will be huge in the future. So I'm going to bring that out this week, a few more gaming tokens and maybe even AI. So again, if you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel. Make sure to drop a comment, hit that like button, smash the bell notification button. Thanks very much, guys and girls, for your support, and I will see you next time.